now in a big development, the draft report from the Energy Agency that is looking into the gas theft case where Reliance allegedly extracted gas from ONGC's well is ready, and the Oil Ministry will take a call on this very soon. Nitya Balakrishnan joins us with this big ET Now exclusive. So Nitya, what does the draft report say? This indeed is breaking story, breaking right here on ET Now.
Absolutely, Nikunj. In fact, we're given to understand from top government sources that the draft report by DNM, which is the expert agency that is looking into gas theft by Reliance Industries from ONGC's KG block, is ready with its draft report. We're given to understand that it will be submitted to the Oil Ministry anytime this week, and the Oil Ministry officials will be taking it up for consideration as early as next week. What we're picking up from sources at the moment is that initial assessment of the draft report, what they are picking up is the fact that there seems to be a case for extraction of gas by Reliance Industries from ONGC's KG block. We're given to understand that at the moment the quantum is ranging anywhere between 12 to 18 billion cubic meters of gas that they have extracted from digging wells close to the 98.2 block of ONGC when it comes to the KG basin. We're given to understand that Oil Ministry will take a call after studying the report in detail. There will be a final report that comes in later in November, but at the moment there seems to be a case that Reliance Industries did go ahead and extract gas that was not under its particular block as far as the KG basin is concerned. We're given to understand that this could be anywhere between 12 to 18 BCM of gas, and as a result there will be a call on to how Reliance Industries will have to end up compensating for the same. But there has been a digging of wells too close to ONGC's KG block, and as a result there has been tapping of ONGC's gas by Reliance Industries, is what the expert committee's preliminary draft report seems to suggest as of now.
Nitya, let's just stay with this Mega ET Now exclusive right now. The second pertinent question, of course, would be what is the Oil Ministry's next course of action going to be?
Interesting, Aisha. In fact, what we're given to understand is that, remember, this case is also sub judice at the Delhi High Court. There was a very categorical order which said that there is an expert committee that needs to look into the technicality of whether RIL has gone and extracted ONGC's gas. As a result, it was DNM that was appointed. Now, Oil Ministry officials seem to suggest that once the final report is in, they will go ahead and make it public. It's an expert technical report, one which was in response to a PIL filed by Prashant Bhushan at the High Court, and as a result it will be made public is what we're given to understand. Once, of course, Oil Ministry goes ahead and studies the same, there will need to be a question of if Reliance Industries has gone ahead and extracted ONGC gas, what is the liable payment or compensation that ONGC will be eligible for from RIL. To calculate this, of course, Oil Ministry believes they will need to dial Law Ministry, they will need to dial the Solicitor General, and it will be legal opinion sought on what exactly the compensation by RIL needs to be. At the moment, they're indicating, Oil Ministry officials, that if 12 to 18 BCM is the kind of gas extraction by RIL, then this could mean a fine of anywhere from 10,000 to 12,000 crore rupees for the company, simply because they are looking at calculating this on the gas price at about $4.2 per unit. Also, given the fact that they are separating royalty, operational costs, all of this later, they're looking at a figure of 10,000 to 12,000 crore rupees. But that is a decision they will arrive at only after they seek legal opinion, is what we're picking up at the moment.
Nitya, now Reliance clearly has been defending their stand by saying that, look, no one can claim right to gas and they have not violated any norms. That's standard, isn't it?
This is not a 1 year or 2 year old tussle. It has been going on for ages, and what both parties seem to indicate at the moment, Reliance Industries very categorically indicating that they are the only ones to have gone ahead and sunk in close to 40,000 crore rupees worth of investment in KG-D6. They've also gone ahead and dug wells, submitted field development plans for extraction of gas, and their estimate was 80 units of gas. They're now currently producing just 12 to 13. As a result, when there has been production, since it's not even been to their estimates, they never really believed that they could be tapping ONGC's gas, is what their excuse has been, and categorically indicating that they have dug wells, but they were not aware of the fact that it was ONGC's gas and gas from that particular block. At the same time, ONGC has indicated time and again that there was no delay per se in submission of field development plans by them. They were looking at assessing whether there is viable gas extraction from their own field. The biggest bone of issue right here, bone of contention right here, is simply the fact that why Reliance Industries, when they had significant block area, dug wells 50 to 350 meters of ONGC's area, and that is the big dispute, and that is what ONGC is asking. Why were wells dug so close to their block, and as a result it was dug at a particular angle, is what ONGC claims, and that has enabled Reliance Industries to tap their gas. We've spoken to ONGC officials as well. They are indicating they're waiting for finality of this expert committee report. They will take a further course of action only post then, but categorically what they had alleged was close to 20 BCM of gas has been tapped by Reliance Industries, and they have indicated that they need compensation for the same and will await, of course, the final submission of the expert committee report.
Sizable sum, according to you, Nithya, 12,000 crore rupees. So tell us, how soon do we expect a final decision?
Aisha, what we're picking up at the moment is the draft report we did understand was to be submitted today. There seems to be a small delay in that. We're given to understand it will be submitted, however, by the end of this week. Oil Ministry officials indicating that by early next week, they will definitely take a call in assessing that draft report. They are picking up from sources in DNM, which is the expert agency that's looking into this gas theft case, that the final report should be with them by as early as next month. Like I mentioned, this is a report that will be made public because it's something that was ordered in response to Prashant Bhushan's PIL. So what we're picking up from sources is that the findings of this report will be made public by as early as mid-November, and that, of course, it's the initial assessment. It's not good news for Reliance Industries because there seems to be significant finding that there has been tapping of ONGC gas by Mukesh Ambani's energy major.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.